The hungry knight wants food from a robot. In this video, you learn new words about fast foods and numbers. Slow and clear. Stay with Sir Reginald to the end of the story. Turn on the CC for other languages. The knight walks in the dark forest. He stops and looks at a bright light. The knight sees a strange neon house. He steps onto the wet road. The knight looks at the strange magic menu. He looks up at the big pictures. He touches the glowing food. A small white robot flies up. The knight looks at the robot eye. The knight points at the big burger. He rubs his stomach. He sees a glowing number 1. The knight takes out a big gold coin. He puts the coin in the machine. A hot burger comes out. He smells the hot food. The hungry knight wants more food. The burger is very small. The small robot looks at him. He sees 5 big burgers. The knight counts with his fingers. He takes out 5 gold coins. But the heavy coins fall down. He looks for the coins. The robot looks down at him. He picks up the coins and mud. He cleans a coin on his armor. He puts the coin in the slot. He holds 5 hot burgers. The knight walks with his heavy food. He carries the 5 burgers. The food moves left and right. The robot gives him a big cup. He wants to hold the cup. Oh no! All the food falls. A magic light catches the food. The food sits on a glowing tray. He walks away with his food. Wait, before you go, some words from today, just for you. Listen and repeat. Tree, tree. Burger, burger, coin, coin, menu, menu, armor, armor, cup, cup, tray, tray, mud, mud, bag, bag, boot, boot. You listened, you learned. Like and subscribe for more stories. This is More Lingua, English. Watch next.